We humans have been observed to use machines all the time, everywhere and for almost everything. But why use machines? Why have they become so essential to us? The answer is that humans have an irrepressible urge to always strive for something newer, something better, something faster, and something that will outshine everything that has come before it. Vinit Machines, an assurance of powerful performance. Mr. J.S. Padalia, a visionary entrepreneur with an earnest passion and idealistic principles, founded Vinit Machines Private Limited in 1979 at Rajkot, Gujarat. Today, we have become one of the most reputed lathe machine manufacturers in India and abroad. A sophisticated production unit spans over 108,000 square feet and features world-class infrastructure and technology. At Vinit Machines, we specialize in manufacturing cone pulley lathe machines and geared head lathe machines. Both the products are available in many variants depending on their capacities, like light duty, medium duty, heavy duty, and extra heavy duty. We also customize them to match the prerequisites of our customers. We market all these products under 3 brands: Vinit Lathe, Sabari Lathe, and Balaji Lathe. Our products have huge applications in various sectors like automotive, machine tools, pumps and valves, hydraulics and pneumatics, foundries, power plant, tool room, kitchenware, dye and mold, medical, defense, education, printing industry, etc. Renowned for our products' top-notch quality, utmost precision, robust performance, we enjoy a major share in the lathe machinery industry in both the domestic and the international markets. A highly advanced manufacturing unit houses some of the best machines in the world, which enables us to very efficiently and effectively produce 1,800 machines per year. We are equipped with the latest HMC, the intelligently planned manufacturing process involves casting, shot blasting, machining, drilling, fitting of headstock, scraping, headstock fitting on bed, lead screw and rack fitting, counter and motor fitting, trial for general specification, disassembling for painting, laser marking, and final fitting. We strongly believe that quality is the reflection of perfection. Our qualified professionals conduct various quality control tests at regular intervals using the latest testing instruments and leaving no possibility for an error. After a successful final inspection, products are sent for packaging and dispatch. A highly experienced and knowledgeable team consists of production managers, machining in charge, metallurgy engineer, other engineers, technicians, quality controllers, warehouse experts and other support staff who all come together to give their best and make Vinit machines the most preferred choice of customers. We have a massive network of 28 dealers and clientele base of 5,000 customers in India. Also, our dealers stock a vast inventory of service and maintenance parts to ensure their easy accessibility to our customers. Our ability to manage bulk demands has helped us attain a huge clientele across the nation. Also, we export to more than 23 countries around the world. It is our vision to earn a leading position in the global market through our innovative and modern products designed with machining technology. We are Vinit Machines Private Limited, the specialist of lathe machines.